The Will of D, a lineage shrouded in mystery. Many believe it's a force for good, but what if it's something far more complex? A prophecy, not of salvation, but of destruction and rebirth. Consider the cyclical nature of One Piece's narrative. Destruction followed by rebuilding. Each D wields immense power, capable of shattering existing orders. But from the ashes, something new, stronger, rises. Think about the Void Century, the destruction of Ohara. Did these events pave the way for a new era? The Will of D might not be about choosing a side, but about the inevitable cycle of destruction and rebirth, a necessary force for evolution. What do you think? Is the Will of D truly a force of destruction and rebirth, or something else entirely? Subscribe to our channel for more content.